Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your ClickUp account. Now, depending if you register with your company email address or you register with a Gmail address, then your name may vary. The way how your name is saved and on your account may vary. So I'm going to show you how to change this to what you want. Simply click your profile on the upper right hand side, and here you want to click in settings. Now you will see under my settings here, it shows your full name. And as you can see, it only pulls the first letter, the first name from my account, right? So that's what it pulls Drew. But let's say I want to change that. I can go ahead and type, for example, Andrew Little, for example. And you will see right here that I now can save it to the lower right hand side, right? So all I have to do really is simply click and save changes, and now my name is changed on my ClickUp account. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.